I hear the term business ethics and ethics in business. And, I read a book also by John Maxwell who said that there's no such thing as business ethics. And that's my philosophy. It's just ethics. Integrity is something that's about being whole. It's about being true to who you are, about being true to a specific philosophy. And I've realized in business that there's no shortcuts whatsoever. And if you're going to do it, just do it right. You treat people the way they want to be treated, and deliver all the service that you're paid for. As a matter of fact, Napoleon Hill has a philosophy talking about the extra mile. My philosophy is that you should render more service than for what you're actually being paid. And staying true to your word, doing what you say you're going to do it's a simple philosophy. It's difficult for a lot of people to do, but under promise and over deliver in everything that you do. And for me, that's what integrity is about. That's what having ethics is all about as well.